In a study led by Dr. Sarju Ganatra, scientists compared regions with high and low levels of microplastic pollution. But this raises an important question. That is, what does low level mean today? To answer this, let's look at the numbers. Dr. Ganatra defined a low level of contamination as one tiny plastic particle per 200 bathtubs filled with seawater. At first glance, that might sound negligible. But when that single particle breaks down into nanoscale fragments, the number of particles increases not by tens or hundreds, but by millions of times. Let's consider a simple calculation. Suppose the volume of one such tiny plastic particle is just 1 cubic millimeter, roughly the size of a grain of sand. Over time, it breaks down into many smaller pieces. Now, if we assume that this single microparticle disintegrates into fragments about 100 nanometers in diameter, that would generate about 1 trillion particles. And if their size decreases to 10 nanometers, the number would skyrocket to 10 to the 15th, or 1 quadrillion nanoparticles, all from a single microparticle. So what does this mean in practice? It means that even one glass of such clean water, which hardly exists anymore, would potentially contain about 5 million nanoplastic particles. And for the human body, after drinking just one glass, at least 5 million cells will be put at risk. So can this so-called low level of contamination truly be considered safe? Each of those 5 million particles entering a body can trigger inflammation, cause hypoxia, and disrupt communication between neurons. Note that these effects aren't always immediately noticeable. A mild headache, occasional fatigue, anxiety, or difficulty concentrating. All these may be early warning signs of cognitive decline, neurodegenerative diseases, disability, and ultimately, death. These symptoms are particularly evident among people who live or spend significant time near the coastal regions. And the decline in their health is an early warning sign, a reflection of a much larger crisis unfolding across the world. Do you remember Professor Gundogan saying that the coastal countries of the Mediterranean don't have an adequate waste management system? Well, according to research, the concentration of microplastics in this region is about 4 times greater than North Pacific Ocean, where, by the way, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is located.